staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Eating habits to reduce the risk of diabetes and dementia. Foods to avoid. Diabetes and dementia are two of the most pressing health issues of our time, affecting millions of people worldwide. While there are many risk factors that contribute to these diseases, including genetics and lifestyle, diet plays a crucial role. In this video, we will explore the foods that should be avoided to reduce the risk of developing diabetes and dementia. Specifically, we will examine 4 types of foods that should be consumed in moderation or avoided altogether: flour-based foods, sugar, high glycemic index fruits and fruit juices, and white rice. Flour-based foods. Flour-based foods such as bread, pasta, and cakes are staples in many diets around the world. However, these foods are often made from refined flour, which has been stripped of its fiber and nutrients. When we consume refined flour, our bodies break it down quickly, causing a rapid increase in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, a condition in which the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes, and it has also been linked to an increased risk of dementia. Instead of refined flour, it's best to choose whole grain alternatives that are high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Sugar. Sugar is a type of carbohydrate that is found naturally in many foods, including fruits and dairy products. However, it is also added to many processed foods and drinks, such as candy, soft drinks, and even savory snacks. While sugar can provide a quick burst of energy, it also causes spikes in blood sugar levels. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Studies have also shown that high sugar consumption is linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Instead of added sugars, try to consume natural sweeteners such as honey, maple syrup, or fruit. High glycemic index fruits and fruit juices. Fruit is generally considered to be a healthy part of any diet, but some fruits have a high glycemic index, meaning that they cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Examples of high glycemic index fruits include bananas, grapes, and melons. Fruit juices are also high in sugar and should be consumed in moderation. Instead, it's best to choose fruits with a lower glycemic index, such as berries and apples, which are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and other nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. White rice. Rice is a staple food in many cultures, but white rice is a refined carbohydrate that has been stripped of its fiber and nutrients. Like flour-based foods, white rice can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Studies have also found a link between a high intake of white rice and an increased risk of cognitive decline and dementia. Instead of white rice, try to choose brown rice, which is a whole grain that is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Conclusion. Diet plays a significant role in the development of diabetes and dementia, and avoiding certain foods can help to reduce the risk of these diseases. By cutting back on flour-based foods, sugar, high glycemic index fruits and fruit juices, and white rice, you can help to protect your health and well-being. Instead, focus on incorporating more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, into your diet. By making simple dietary changes, you can take steps to reduce your risk of developing these serious health conditions. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.